Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and I hope you are having a great time because this is New Year. This is 9th of January, and the New Year vibe is already there, and I'm a bit late this time, but no problem. I'll start it very beautifully and very fresh and lively with very beautiful colors, of course. So this is the time I want to share with you what plans I have in my mind regarding my upcoming art videos in the month of January or February. So I have decided to draw or paint some girls in beautiful dresses, of course, and in different pose, in different doing different activities. When I was a kid, drawing girls was my favorite theme. I find it very beautiful. But later on, I tried doing some paintings on flowers and landscapes and birds and all that. But initially, when I started drawing girls was my favorite theme. And this time, this New Year in 2023, I want to start it with drawing some girls. So I hope you like them. And I already have so many videos drawing girls and painting girls. So please go and watch them and let me know which one you like or where I can improve or what you don't like about it. Anything, your comments are always welcome. So, one more thing I must say, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos and like my videos, and please share it with your friends who love to do some art, some paintings, doodling, and coloring, and all that. So, um, stay creative, stay active, stay fresh, and stay energetic, and stay with me. And I hope you like my videos, my upcoming videos. I have some plans. I have not done many actually. I have just started, and very soon I will post it. And so that's what I wanted to say. And Happy New Year once again. And stay healthy and happy and active. This is what I have, some good wishes for you for this year. And be with me, stay with me, and bye. We'll meet soon. Bye.